the kitty! Good day to everyone, esteemed panelists, teachers, and members of the Philippines. It is with great pleasure that we present to you our study entitled Conducted by the researcher in life as a research leader. Dapat ma-feel. Magde-defense ang taong to. Paano defense? Yeah. Okay, corny. Guys, research defense na namin. Wish us luck. Hindi ko na alam kung anong dapat ko ma-feel, kung anong dapat ko sabihin. Hey, guys. Babalik pa ako sa bahay.
Perceptual sunset.
Saan yun?
Yun, concept and movement of said molecules based
What are the compounds carbacrol and thymol? Affects their sense of smell, which is responsible for detecting mosquitoes or reptiles.
Research the panel. Guys, kami lang to. Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. Guys, for today's video, kami po ay
gamit ko lagi pag
defend ng research. Kain natin to guys. Waiting. Gancha.
Isang source ng yan.
Ang aming leader name. Leader name. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 제노입니다. 오늘은 리서치 데펜드입니다.
Meron na ito na she ilang ate ka sa akin.
Alam mo ba yung palagay nun?
Hindi ko alam.
Sa dami ng matatandaan niyang Hangul word. Behind us. Kinakabahan. Guys, kinakabahan siya kami. Concern ni Ma'am ay bakit daw yung... Bakit... Guys, matutulog na! Ay, may portfolio. May portfolio.
medyo mahina lang.
Basta. Arigato gozaimasu. Ano masasabi ni ate?
Ano?
Bye guys. Alam na kung sino ulit. Ay, pinaalala pa. Pinaalala niyo pa yung iPad guys. Iiyak yan.
Sobrang OA mo, miss.
Sige.
OA mo, my God.
Sige.
Bumili ka na lang daw ng bago.
That's who it is. Hey. Hey guys. Yes, where we're going. Kaya itong ginagawa. Hey guys, ang daming aso. Ayos talaga buhay na lang yan. Ay, pusa pala yun. Sorry. Hey guys. Ito kami sa 7-Eleven para sa lecheng ice cream. Hey. Okay lang, libre. Libre! Yes! Libre! Sa wakas! Ang tawag doon ay, the world is healing. First achievement bilang 18. Guys, nakabili ako ng ng menu. Achievement na lahat. Bucket list. Hey, yo! Guess what? Magkano nagastos natin? 500! Sakto 500. Ayos ang buhay. Kulit. Ang ginagawa mo? Bakit puwit mo? May papansin dito, oh. Kakulay ng dami. Bye-bye! Init. Init. Pipila na.
A project that is already actually implemented by the club. This project reflects. So, if updated po kayo sa Facebook page ng aming club,
My last exam for senior year. Gusto na yung motivation ko sa buhay. Gusto na wala na akong energy. Let me take you sa aking last day of exam for senior year. Okay. We'll start na. It's currently 7:43 a.m. Exam ko ay mamayang 9:30 a.m. Meron pa akong 8 slides, 8 pages. General chemistry. Get ready with me kasi I'm running late. Last day of exam in senior year. Wish me luck. Wishing all my luck to be good today. See you guys later. This is me before taking the exam. Bye! But this is me. I'm done. Okay, magagawa pa ako ng project mamaya. Amen. Bye! See you sa house. Hey guys. Ito na alam kung anong araw na ngayon. Ay, sorry. Pili tayo na ice cream and it's your girl. Let's cram with me again. Okay. Update. Magkakrampo ulit tayo ngayon. Okay, let's go. At nagkakrampa rin siya. sa buong pagkatao ko. I'm still gonna color it.
拿完之后就可以坐下了。
Station reveal. Watching this. Okay now. Kukulay na tayo. Tada! Basta, by the way. Life update. And we're done! So, I cracked this for 9 hours. Yay! Pasok ang taong to sa school. Pasa lang. Okay guys, tonight gagawa tayo ng banana bread. Pabulok na siya. Let's go! Update! Luto na siya! Buti na lang after 2 years na walang baking. It was a success. Hey vlog! Another episode ng Kagastusa. Sige, kaya mo yan. One hand challenge. Hey!